Do you know that there are around 200 countries in the world? I'll show you their names in traditional Chinese and how to say them in Mandarin. It'll be an interactive video series, and I welcome you to join. Let me explain how it works. There will be 3 countries in each video and 3 sections of practice on different levels. The first section is a complete introduction, including English names, pinyin, and Chinese names. I'll leave some seconds for you to repeat after me. The second section is an exciting one, and it'll be fast-paced after the English names, following by Chinese names. The final section will be a review that I only show you their Chinese names to focus on reading them. Let me introduce myself before we start. I'm Yao, and my first language is Mandarin Chinese. My videos are mostly about how to write in traditional Chinese and also Chinese study materials. It's informative, and you won't find the Chinese characters are complicated anymore. The 3 countries in this video are Pakistan, 巴基斯坦, Brazil, 巴西, and Nigeria, 奈及利亚. They are all translated phonetically. Their English names sound like Chinese names. It will help you remember them faster. It's the end of the first part, and you're welcome to pause, to digest, or to make screenshots. Then move on to the next fast-paced section. Are you ready? Let's go! Pakistan, 巴基斯坦 Brazil, 巴西 Nigeria, 奈及利亚 Hey, are you still here with me? I'm so happy you're still here and hope this bite-sized content is helpful for you. Before the end, let's review them again. They are Pakistan, 巴基斯坦 Brazil, 巴西 and Nigeria, 奈及利亚. I'll upload a series of country names videos, and if you find it informative, welcome to like, share, and subscribe. See you again soon. Bye bye.